to see whether the daemon tokens have arrived. And that's it guys, as you can see daemon tokens have arrived shortly and look exactly the same. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to generate so-called Flash USDT using swapforflash.com website, a simple web service that lets you request daemon USDT for testing and demonstration purposes. Before we begin, here is an important disclaimer. The daemon USDT shown in the video is not real USDT and has no monetary value. It's intended only for demonstrations, interface testing, screenshots, educational content, and wallet testing. It's not a substitute for real cryptocurrency and cannot be used as actual USDT. First, choose the amount of daemon USDT you want to receive. There are several options, from 1,000 all the way up to 1 million daemon USDT. Next, paste your TRON wallet address, where you want daemon tokens to be delivered. After that, choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to use for paying the service fee. The platform supports several payment options, including TRX, USDT on different networks, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and Monero, making it easy to pay with the cryptocurrency you already have. Once everything looks correct, click Generate daemon USDT. The payment window will appear automatically. Here you will see the unique order number, the cryptocurrency you've selected, the exact payment amount, the destination address, and QR code if you'd rather pay from another device. One thing you will notice is that when paying with TRX, the amount isn't exactly 100 TRX. Instead, the service generates a unique amount with several decimal places. This allows every payment to be matched automatically with the correct order, making processing much easier. After sending the payment, simply click I've sent payment and wait for generation to finish. The website will display your order information together with the payment details and remind you that your transaction will be processed after it receives the required blockchain confirmations. According to the platform, once the payment has been confirmed, the daemon tokens are prepared and sent to the wallet address you entered earlier. If you ever want to check your order, open the status page. There you can enter your order number, destination wallet address, and transactional hash to check the current processing status. If you're experiencing any issues or have questions, the contact section contains the Telegram support account as well as official support email. After the order has been completed, simply open your wallet and refresh your token balance to see whether the daemon tokens have arrived. And that's it guys, as you can see daemon tokens have arrived shortly and look exactly the same. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more blockchain tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.